Hello everyone, welcome back to Mama in the Kitchen. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make Pico De Gallo. So this is a copycat recipe for Chipotle's Pico De Gallo. I'm going to go ahead and show you the ingredients. You're going to need 6 Roma tomatoes, half a cup of chopped cilantro, half a cup of diced onions, and then about 1 tablespoon of chopped jalapeno, 1 teaspoon of salt, and the juice of 1 lime. And now we're gonna go ahead and get started. Okay, so in a bowl, I went ahead and diced my tomatoes and I placed them in a bowl. And I'm gonna be adding the juice of 1 lime, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of chopped jalapeno, half a cup of diced onions, and half a cup of chopped cilantro. And just gonna mix everything in very well. Righty, and now the Pico De Gallo is ready to serve. I'm going to be serving this with Chipotle copycat steak, corn salsa, guacamole, and cilantro lime rice. And go ahead and check out the rest of my Chipotle copycat recipes. I have a playlist that's named Chipotle copycat recipes, and all my Chipotle recipes will be on there. Thank you for watching, and please like, share, and subscribe.